everyone, welcome back to No Place Like Home. I am so glad to have you here this morning. And what I'm doing this morning, I'm going to give y'all a tour of my master bedroom. And so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to refresh my bed up just a little bit. I need to finish putting my pillows on. And then after which, I'm going shopping. I'm not going to go to too many places because this virus is still growing and growing. And I will be wearing my mask. So if y'all out shopping, wear your mask. I have had my shot, but I'm still wearing my mask. So I'll be back. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoyed my refreshed bedroom. And now I'm going to put my beads on. I love the word my beads going out. I may not have much money, but I'll look like I got a lot of money. And also one more thing. This lotion is called for ladies, gentlemen. If you want to buy your wife some, she will love it. It's a little expensive, but you know we ladies love expensive stuff anyway. But this will, if you put this on, it will last you all day and the next day too. You probably have to wash it off. But it smells so soft and so good. But it's called Angel, and I think I got it from Dillard's. If I'm not mistaken, I got it from Dillard's. But I think you can get it from any of the big department stores. I think I got this when I was up in Colorado. I was working up there, and my dear husband, he always buys me whatever I want. And so he bought me this. But anyway, enough of that. So y'all, I want y'all to have a blessed day and have a safe day. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And I'll see y'all the next time. And if you not have already subscribed, please do. Hit that subscribe button and hit the notification and hit the bell twice so you won't miss any of our times together. And I will be having more videos on decorating my bedroom, and I'll probably do a little freshening of stuff. But y'all have a blessed day, have a safe day, and may God forever bless y'all and be good to y'all and be prosper as God see you prospering. I see you prospering. So God love you so much. I always say that at the end of my video because God, I feel like God do love us so much. And he takes care of us. And I thank God for that. My husband takes care of me, but God takes care of me even more. And y'all have a safe day. Have a blessed day. And forever, trust in God. No matter what you're going through with, trust in God. And he said, I will see you through it. Y'all be blessed. Bye-bye.